You always wonder why your pani puri is not so tasty as street style. So here I have an amazing secret, which is by that pani puri wale bhaiya and pani puri vendor who has shared his amazing secret with me to share with you guys. Let's check it out. Hey lovelies, this is Manisha and you are watching Simplify Your Cooking. Let's start. So before starting the recipe, a very important tip here is never ever use any kind of non-stick pan or aluminum pan while making any sour thing, as it will spoil your health, your vessel and your recipe. So first we'll take half a cup of tamarind. Along with it we'll take 7 to 8 dates, add in some water. Boil it with 1 cup of water and a teaspoon of salt and keep the flame on low. Just take a boil and turn off the flame and keep it aside for cooling it down. When it's turned totally on the room temperature, you can see the beautiful date and tamarind are totally mushy, and if you don't want to boil it, you can soak it for overnight or you can have one whistle in a pressure cooker on medium flame. Now take a strainer and directly you have to mash all the ingredients like this. If you want, you can use spatula too, but it's very easier with your hands. So clean your hand first and then you have to remove all the pulp of tamarind and dates. So here I have added some water also to take out the maximum pulp of the tamarind and dates. So finally we have our tamarind water. So first we have to reduce it and keep the flame on low and boil it very properly. And before that we will add some ingredients into it like jaggery. First we have to add the jaggery around half a cup because it takes time to melt. So first add the jaggery, then stir it continuously like this. Just boil it till it gets little thicker. Meanwhile we add some spices to it also, like half a teaspoon of asafoetida diluted in a tablespoon of water, and add it like this. It will take your chutney's flavor at another level. Now we'll add some more ingredients and some more amazing spices into it, like salt to taste. I am adding it around 1 teaspoon. Now it's turn to add black peppercorn powder. It's around half a teaspoon. So add and stir it well, mix it well first so that it will not get any kind of lump into it. Now my favorite ingredient, it's a cumin seed powder, around a tablespoon. This cumin powder is not roasted, it's a raw cumin powder. If you add roasted cumin powder, it will turn your chutney into dark color. Now it's time to add black salt. It's as per your taste. And finally half a teaspoon of ginger powder. If you add ginger powder in a boiling chutney, you will get some lumps, so keep stirring it like this so that you will get an even chutney. To turn the chutney in red bright color, we'll add around 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. And you look at this amazing color, texture and taste. The beautiful chutney is almost ready. Keep boiling it and now turn off the flame, and finally we will add vinegar around 1 tablespoon. Vinegar is basically for preserving this amazing chutney for longer. If you want, you can store this chutney in a refrigerator for 6 long months. So you can enjoy this chutney for 6 long months after making it once. Do try this recipe. Now with this chutney only we will make our pani puri's red chutney also. So separate half of the chutney in a bowl. Now it's time to take half a tablespoon of corn flour in a small bowl. This is the same corn flour which we use in Chinese food. Now add 1/4 cup of water with red food color. Yes, you have to use food color here. There is no any other option. So I have asked any other substitute for food color, but they have told me that they usually use this. So if you don't want that red chatak color, you can skip the food color. But corn flour water is a must ingredient if you want that perfect shiny consistency and the perfect thickness of the chutney. So mix the corn flour water with the chutney, then add some sugar to make it balance. Keep it for boiling. Here I am adding salt also as per the taste. So after adding corn flour, keep stirring it very well, as corn flour is very sticky and it can stick to the bottom of the pan. So if you mix and if you boil it, it will get thicker very quickly. So keep adding some water to balance its consistency like this. You can see the amazing bubbles are coming out, and our amazing chutney is ready after boiling it for 5 minutes. So you can see the amazing red chatak chutney is ready. Now turn off the flame and you can enjoy this chutney with samosa, kachori, and basically it is for pani puri. So I hope you like this recipe, and I am targeting here some likes from you guys. So please do like this video if you like the recipe. Do share this video if it's worth it, and please do subscribe my channel if you are new here. So this chutney you have to finish in 2 to 3 days, as we have added corn flour into it. So you have to finish this within a time period. You can see the perfect color, perfect thickness. You guys always ask for ingredients list, so here I am with my ingredients list. And thank you for watching this video. Keep taking care of your beautiful selves. Till then, bye bye.